Now children, we will start with the exercise 2.6. In this exercise, we will see the multiplication of the decimal numbers. So just see the first question over here, it's very much easy. Question number first, second part. Question first, second part. What is given over here? That is 8 into 4.6. 8 into 4.6. So you have to multiply 8 with 4.6, which is a decimal number. So what you can do? First you can just remove the decimal. 8 into 46 upon 10. 8 into 46 upon 10. When just remove the decimal, in the denominator it will become 10 because decimal is after only one digit. So it will become 10. Now you will do the multiplication. 8 6 are 48. 8 4s are 32 and 32 plus 4 is 368. So 368 upon 10. Now again you have to convert this fraction into a decimal number. So how to convert it? That is, it will become 36.8. Okay children, as you already know that whenever we do the multiplication तो value क्या हो जाती है, बढ़ जाती है, it keeps on increasing. But when we use to divide तो value क्या हो जाती है, कम हो जाती है, क्या होती है, it gets reduces. तो यहाँ पे हम multiplication कर रहे तो value क्या हो रही है, it's getting increased, value बढ़ रही है. अब यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, 368 divided by 10. So we'll just put the decimal from the right after the one digit, okay, because it is 10. So decimal will be placed after the one digit from the right. So it will become 36.8. okay. Now just see the next one. Now its fifth part, that is 0.05 into 7. Fifth part, that is 0.05 into 7. Now what to do? First of all, you will just remove this decimal. Now how to remove this decimal? You can see that from the right after here it is a decimal. So it will become 100 in the denominator. So 5 upon 100. When you will just remove this decimal, you can see the decimal is after the two digits. So when you are just removing this decimal, it will become 100 in the denominator into 7. So 5 sevens are 35. 35 upon 100. Now again you can convert it into the decimal notation. So you can see, since it's 100, so you will place the decimal after the two digits from the right. This is first and second. So it will become 0.35. Got it children? Now just see the next question. Just come to question number 3. Again there is a multiplication. Now multiplication is given in the terms of multiples of 10. Okay. Now just see over here. Question number 3. Question number 3. Just see the second part over here. That is 36.8 into 10. What you have to do, you have to multiply 10 with 36.8. So whenever just you are multiplying in terms of multiples of 10, यहाँ पे कितने जीरो हैं, 1. तो डेसिमल क्या होगा, it will be shift to one place. One place क्या हो जाएगा, आगे हो जाएगा. अभी कहाँ पर है, it is after 6. अब क्या हो जाएगा, we are just multiplying by 10. तो one place क्या हो जाएगा, ये आगे shift हो जाएगा. तो this is the digit. So it will become 368. It will become 368. पहले डेसिमल कहाँ पे था, यहाँ पे था. अब since we are multiplying by 10, हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. तो क्या होगा, एक प्लेस आगे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. That is after this, after 8. तो 368.0 it will become 368. Got it? Now just see the next over here. Just see the ninth part now. Okay, just see the ninth part. That is 0.5 into 10. 0.5 into 10. Again वही concept हम use करेंगे. What is to do? Here it is the decimal over here. अब हम क्या करेंगे, since we are multiplying by 10, तो 10 से आप मल्टीप्लाई करो तो डेसिमल क्या होगा, एक डिजिट आगे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. सो 1 प्लेस आगे शिफ्ट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, इट विल बिकम 5. इट विल बिकम 5. और वैसे भी आप इसको जब सॉल्व करके देखोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, 5/10 into 10. So your answer comes out to be 5. Okay, so you can just solve in any way. Now just see the next part over here. It's the 11th part. Okay, just see the 11th part, that is 0.9 into 100. That is 0.9 into 100. Now you can see children that we are multiplying here by 100. अभी हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे थे, आप 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे थे. अब इस डेसिमल नंबर को आप 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. देयर आर 2 zeros. तो हम डेसिमल कैसे प्लेस करेंगे यहाँ पे, डेट इज नाउ दैट दिस डेसिमल विल बी शिफ्टेड टू 2 places टू द राइट. डेसिमल कहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, डेट इज इट विल बी प्लेस टू द 2 places टू द राइट. इसका मतलब हमारा डेसिमल कहाँ पे, यहाँ पे है. तो 2 places चाहिए, दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्लेस, और सेकंड प्लेस पे कुछ भी नहीं है, मतलब क्या हो जाएगा, 0 हो जाएगा. सो इट विल बिकम 90. What it will become? It will become 90. क्योंकि यहाँ पे 2 zeros है, we are multiplying by 100. So decimal will be get shifted to the right by 2 places. तो ये क्या है, this is the first place, और second place पे हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं है, तो हम क्या कंसिडर करेंगे, 0. That is 90.0 क्या हो जाएगा, it is 90. Got it? Now just see the next question over here. Now suppose when we are multiplying by 1000, just see the 12th part of it, that is 0.03 into 1000. 0.03 into 1000. Okay, now we are multiplying by 1000. अब जब आप 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई करो तो डेसिमल क्या होगा, इट विल गेट शिफ्टेड टूवर्ड्स द राइट बाय 3 places. राइट में कितने प्लेसेस से शिफ्ट हो जाएगा डेसिमल, बाय 3 places. नाउ यू कैन ऑब्जर्व ओवर हियर, ये इसकी फर्स्ट प्लेस है, डेसिमल के बाद ये फर्स्ट प्लेस है, ये सेकंड प्लेस है, और थर्ड प्लेस पे हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं है, तो व्हाट विल प्लेस, विल जस्ट प्लेस 0. मतलब क्या हो जाएगा, ये 0 3 0. ओके, 0 3 0. तो जब भी किसी डिजिट के आगे 0 होता है, इट्स ऑफ नो वर्थ, इट डजंट हैव एनी वैल्यू. तो आपका आंसर क्या आएगा, डेट इज ओनली 30. व्हाट विल बी द आंसर, डेट इज ओनली 30. इनफैक्ट यू कैन चेक बाय सॉल्विंग इट. 0.03 है तो कितने के बाद डेसिमल है, डेट इज फ्रॉम 2 places. सो वी कैन राइट 3/100 into 1000. When you will just solve it, you will get the answer as 30. Is it clear? But to avoid such kind of calculations, we have to use the concept of decimal, that whenever you are multiplying, the decimal gets shifted towards the right. और जब भी राइट में शिफ्ट हो रहा है तो उसकी वैल्यू क्या हो रही है, बढ़ रही है. ये 0.03 था, पर जब हमने इसको 1000 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो हमारे पास आंसर क्या है, 30, विच इज़ ग्रेटर देन 0.03. और जब भी आप डिवाइड करोगे तो वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, रिड्यूस्ड हो जाएगी. Now just see the next question over here. Now just see, it's question number 4. Okay, just go through the question. Now what is given in the question over here? A two-wheeler covers a distance of 55.3 kilometers in 1 liter of petrol. तो टू व्हीलर कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर रहा है 1 liter ऑफ पेट्रोल में, दैट इज 55.3. हाउ मच डिस्टेंस विल इट कवर इन 10 liters ऑफ पेट्रोल. पहले पेट्रोल की क्वांटिटी कितनी थी, 1 liter थी. अब पेट्रोल की क्वांटिटी कितनी हो गई, 10 liters हो गई. तो जब फ्यूल ज़्यादा होगा तो गाड़ी क्या करेगी, ज़्यादा चलेगी. इट विल जस्ट कवर अ मोर डिस्टेंस. तो अब आपका जो भी आंसर आएगा, इट शुड बी मोर देन 55.3 kilometers. सो वी कैन जस्ट राइट द डिस्टेंस कवर्ड बाय टू व्हीलर, distance covered by a two-wheeler in 1 liter of petrol is equal to 55.3 kilometers. Now what you have to find, the distance covered by a two-wheeler in 10 liters of petrol. So distance covered by a two-wheeler in 10 liters of petrol. तो कितना हो जाएगा, which is equals to 55.3 into 10. So it will become 553 kilometers. Means when the fuel is more, the distance covered by a vehicle will be more. So your answer is 553 kilometers. Now just come to the last question of this exercise, that is question number 5. Okay. Now what is given over here? You have to find the value by the multiplication of decimal numbers. So just see question number 5, second part. Just see the second part, that is 0.1 into 51.7 into 51.7. So children, as you already know, first of all we will just remove this decimal. So it will become 1 upon 10. Again there is only one decimal and one digit is there. So it will become 517 upon 10. क्या है यहाँ पे भी one decimal है? Okay. So after one decimal there is only one number, so we will divide by 10. Again the same thing is there, so we will divide by 10. So that is 1 into 517, 517 upon 100. Now we are dividing it by 100. So now the decimal will be placed from the right after the two digits. तो क्या हो जाएगा ये? It is 1, 2. So 5.17 is your answer. Got it? Now just see the next question. That is 9th one. Okay. Just see the 9th part of this question. It's very easy. That is 101.01 into 0.01. Okay, that is 101.01 into 0.01. Now you have to just multiply. You can see that after the decimal there are two digits. So we will divide by 100. So 10101 upon 100. Again after decimal there are two digits. 1 upon 100. So 10101 into 1, that is 10101. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you have to place the decimal after the four digits from the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will come here. So 1.0101 is your answer. Got it? Now just see over here children, we will just move to the last exercise of this chapter, that is exercise 2.7. Just take out page number 55, okay? Just take out page number 55, exercise 2.7. Page number 55. Now children, in this exercise we will just do the division of decimal numbers, okay? So just see question number first. Question number first, second part, okay? It is 0.35 divided by 5. Children, as I have already told you the concept of division of fractions. जब भी हम फ्रैक्शंस को डिवाइड करते हैं तो क्या कॉन्सेप्ट यूज करते हैं कि फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन विल रिमेन एज इट इज, देन डिविजन साइन विल चेंज इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड द सेकंड फ्रैक्शन विल जस्ट टेक द रेसिप्रोकल. सो सेम कॉन्सेप्ट विल यूज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल जस्ट रिमूव द डेसिमल फ्रॉम हियर. It's 0.35, so it will become 35 upon 100 divided by 5. Okay. Now we will use the concept of division of fractions. So first fraction will remain as it is. This division sign will change into multiplication and here we will take the reciprocal. In the denominator there is no numerical value, so we will just consider it as 1. So 5 upon 1, when you will just take the reciprocal, it will become 1 upon 5. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. So it is 7 upon 100. Now you can just convert it into decimal. That is, you will just place the decimal after two digits from the right. So this is the first number and second there is no number, so we will just place 0. So it will be 0.07. Is it clear? Now just see the next one. Just see the seventh part of, that is 3.96 divided by 4. 3.96 96 divided by 4. Now again the same thing, first of all you will just remove the decimal. So 396 upon 100 divided by 4. In the denominator there is nothing by default, it is 1. So first fraction will remain as it is. This division sign will change into multiplication and you have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction, that is 1 upon 4. Now you can simplify. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36, 4 nines are 36. So it is 99 upon 100. Now you can just place the decimal. Since in the denominator it is 100, so you have to place the decimal after the 2 digits from the right. So this is the first number and this is the second number. So your answer is 0.99. Got it? Now just see the next question. It's question number 2, okay? Question number 2, second part. It is given 52.5 divided by 10. Now children, just please pay attention over here. Whenever you are just dividing with the multiples of 10, जब भी आप मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 10 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो क्या करते हैं, जो डेसिमल रहता है वो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे शिफ्ट हो जाता है. इज इट क्लियर? देयर इज ओनली 1 0. सो नाउ दिस डेसिमल विल गेट शिफ्टेड टू वन प्लेस टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट. तो ये डेसिमल कहाँ पे आ जाएगा? यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. सो योर आंसर विल बी 5.25. The number of decimal places that you have to shift, it depends on the multiple of 10. Since there was 1 0, so we have shifted this decimal towards the one place towards the left. Now just see the next one. Now just see, that is fifth part. That is 272.23 divided by 10. Divided by 10. Again we are just dividing by 10. That means you will shift this decimal towards the one place towards the left. So it will become, kitna shift hoga by one place, because there is only 1 0. So your answer will become 27.223. Got it? Answer is 27.223. Now just see how to just divide by 100. Just see the question number 3. Again we are using the same concept over here. It's question number 3. Just see the first part, that is 2.7 divided by 100. 2.7 divided by 100. Now you can see we are just dividing by 100 and there are 2 zeros. So decimal will be shifted to 2 places towards the left. This is the decimal over here. So we will shift the decimal by 2 places towards the left. This is the first. Second number यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है तो यहाँ पे क्या प्लेस कर देंगे? 0. So your answer will be 0.027. क्या आंसर हो जाएगा? 0.027. Okay. Now just see the next one. Just see the fifth part of this question, that is 23.6 divided by 100. 23.6 divided by 100. Now again you can see there are 2 zeros, we are dividing by 100. So decimal will be shifted to 2 places towards the left. So this is the decimal over here, 1 and 2. That means we will place the decimal before the 2. So it will become 0.236. That is 0.236. Now just see the question number 4. Just see question number 4, children. Now we will divide by 1000. So we will shift to the 3 places towards the left. So question number 5, just see that it's question number 4. Just see the second part. That is 26.3 divided by 1000. 26.3 divided by 1000. You can see there are 3 zeros, okay. So we'll shift this decimal towards the 3 places towards the left. कितने जीरो है? 3 zeros हैं. तो हम decimal को कितने places से left में shift करेंगे? By 3 places. दिस इज द फर्स्ट प्लेस, सेकेंड प्लेस, थर्ड प्लेस पे कुछ भी नहीं है मतलब क्या हो जाएगा, 0 आ जाएगा. सो 0.0263, 0.0263. Okay. Similarly, you can just do the other questions. Now just see question number 5. Okay. Now we'll solve question number 5. Question number 5, third part. It is given 3.25 divided by 0.5. Now first of all you will just remove the decimals. So 3.25, there are, after decimal there are 2 digits, so it will become 100 divided by 100, 325 upon 100 divided by, after decimal there is only 1 digit, so it will become 5 upon 10. Now you can just use the concept of fractions of division, that is first fraction will remain as it is, division sign will change into multiplication, and you will just take the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 10 upon 5. This 0 and 0 will cut, 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25. So it will become 65 upon 10. So your answer is 6.5. Okay? Your answer is 6.5. Now just see the seventh part of the same question. It's very much easy. First of all, you have to remove the decimal, then you can use the concept of division for the fractions. Now the seventh part. It is given 76.5 divided by 0.15. Now again you have to remove the decimal. So it will become 765 upon 10 divided by 15 upon 100. Okay. Why we are dividing by 10? Because after the decimal there is only 1 digit, and here after the decimal there are 2 digits. So we are dividing by 100. Now first fraction will remain as it is, 765 upon 10. This division will change into multiplication. You have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction. So 100 upon 15. 0 से 0 cut. Okay. 15 ones are 15. Okay. 15 5s are 75 and 15 ones are 15. So it is 51 into 10. So your answer is 510. Now children, we will just solve the last question of this exercise. Okay, just go through the question. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometers in 2.5 liters of petrol. What has been given? That vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 kilometers in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So what has been asked कि 2.4 liters में कितना distance cover करता है वो आपको दे रखा है. Now you have to find the distance covered in 1 liter of petrol. So just see over here. It's question number 6. Distance covered in 2 liters of petrol is equal to 43.2 kilometers. Now you have to find the distance covered by the vehicle in 1 liter of petrol. पहले क्या था, फ्यूल ज़्यादा था, अब फ्यूल कम है तो डिस्टेंस भी क्या हो जाएगा, कम हो जाएगा. So we can write therefore distance covered in 1 liter of petrol is equal to 43.2 divided by, that is 2.4 liters of petrol, 2.4 liters. So divided by 2.4. Now we can just divide it, that is 43.2 divided by 2.4. So you can just solve it, that is 432 upon 10 divided by 24 upon 10. You have to just remove the decimal. So 432 upon 10, division sign will change into multiplication, and you will just take the reciprocal of the second fraction. Now you can just solve it. So it comes out to be 18 kilometers. Okay, so distance covered in 1 liter of petrol is equals to 18 kilometers. Is it clear, students? So these are the basic concept of this chapter. So please keep on practicing more and more questions. That's all for today. Thank you.